If Real Madrid do not beat Atletico Madrid over the 2 legs in the Champions League, then I am officially Ancelotti out. I was calling for Ancelotti to be sacked in the beginning of the season. Never mind now. So for me to return back to this manner means really that something is going wrong with this club. And for me, Real Madrid are not in the position to win any singular trophy. I'm talking about major honours here. The Copa del Rey, La Liga, or the Champions League this season. I don't think they can do it. And just looking at the way that Real Madrid are playing, it is not possible. And for the archaic tactics of Ancelotti to be deployed and used over the remainder of the season, look, at the end of it, we can just say, okay, bye, you've done your service, you have been an amazing manager for this club, and now it's time to go. That's all I'm saying. Now, for me, looking at the 2 legs, the home game tomorrow is an absolute must-win. We cannot get anything less than a win. If we get a draw, we are out. Simple as that. We are out of the competition. Atletico Madrid, the way that they are literally racking up results this season without conceding too many, I think will be literally a funeral for Real Madrid over the 2 legs. So this is a must win. And I'm looking at dangerous players. Alvarez, one of them. Last time, he was the main focal threat for Atletico Madrid when we played them last time. And even though we did show very high intensity in that second half, this is going to be a different ball game altogether. Simeone is going to drum into those players that they need to beat Real Madrid. And if they can take a victory back to the Metropolitano, it is absolute curtains. And for us, looking at the team, we have to start with Valverde. If Ancelotti puts Vasquez anywhere near this team, I am going to absolutely lose it. He cannot be featured in that starting 11 because anyone who is coming up against him, I'm talking about Lino here mainly, if Lino comes up against him, he will get cooked one more time and another time and another time and another time throughout the match until they will score. I'm telling you right now, this is not looking good for this club. Vasquez cannot go anywhere near this club. Every single Real Madrid fan agrees with me. Doesn't matter if you are Ancelotti in, Ancelotti out. Everybody agrees that Vasquez is just simply not good enough for this club. That is it. He cannot be featured. I don't mind going on a tirade just for 2-3 minutes just on Vasquez because he is not good enough for Real Madrid. If any person out there can disagree with me and let me know in the comments what has he done for this club in terms of his defensive attributes, let me know. I'm sure you're going to have a very short list. So Vasquez cannot feature, and Atletico Madrid, they're going to be gunning for us big time. They're going to be on our case throughout the whole match in the first leg and the second leg. Because back-to-back games against Atletico Madrid with just a space in between to play a La Liga match, we are absolutely finished here. I'm telling you, Vallecano on the weekend, Atletico Madrid, yeah, we might as well just call it now. We might as well call it now and say La Liga is off the cards. We'll probably beat Vallecano. But Atletico Madrid, I'm telling you right now, yeah, Bellingham's going to be back for this match. I hope he puts a shift in. I hope we win, guys. I hope. There's only hope for me. I'm telling you right now, because playing-wise, it's not looking good. The way that we played against Real Betis, Sociedad away, and Ancelotti said, in the second leg against Sociedad, we need to play to the same level. That's the mentality. Stinking it out. We cannot do this to ourselves. We need to put Atletico Madrid to the sword in the first leg. I don't want to see anything less than a 2-0, 3-0 victory against Atletico Madrid. But guess what? That's not going to happen because Carlo Ancelotti is looking at the grander picture. Okay, it's 2 legs. We get a 1-0 in the Bernabeu. And then we go to the Metropolitano and then we can stink it out there. That's not going to work this time, bro. That's not going to work this time. We need to be ruthless, completely ruthless against Atletico Madrid. We need to literally play the second half how we played last time against them across all 4 halves, across 2 legs. High intensity, high press. Just literally get the ball 1-2 off, give and go. Everything we can possibly to break down Atletico Madrid's defense. Look at Barcelona. Even though Barcelona was shocking defensively against them, they put 4 past them. 4. So this is our chance to really do damage. And if we can beat them by 2-3 comfortable goals in the first leg, then the second leg, it's happening. I'm telling you, we're going to be in that quarterfinal because I don't see Atletico Madrid coming up against us at home at the Metropolitano and scoring 2-3 goals, clear goals past us. So we need to put them literally daggers into Atletico Madrid's hearts, the fans' hearts, Simeone's hearts, the players, because if they go to the second leg with a 2-goal, 3-goal deficit, it's going to crush them completely. They're going to be up against it. They're going to have to come out against us, and literally we can just break on them, score a quick goal, whatever it is, and then progress to the quarterfinals. That's what's going to happen. So tomorrow, it has to be a win, a convincing win. No less than 2-goal deficit, please. No less. But if Atletico Madrid beat us in the first leg, I forget there's 2 legs. I'm officially Ancelotti out from tomorrow if we lose. I'm telling you, because a lot of these fans, like I've said in my last videos, deluded to think that if we lose against Atletico Madrid, and it's not just losing mentality, it's having the right certain standards for the club that you support. And if you can't beat Atletico Madrid at home, there is no hope for you at the end of the season. There's no light at the end of the tunnel. There's no cohesiveness. There's nothing to our play at the moment that will make me think in my head, okay, Real Madrid are really going to do this summer and they're going to win La Liga. They're going to win everything. Like I said, a couple of videos back, when we beat Man City, we're going to win everything. Where's that David gone? That David literally gone, done and dusted after that Sociedad performance. After I saw that, I said, there's nothing to this team that's going to make me believe that we can go the distance. We can go, everybody's been saying to me, all my friends have been saying, but Real Madrid, they always stink it out and they win the Champions League somehow. Well, do you know what? It's not happening because our clutch players are not coming clutch. Mbappe played amazingly well. Look, Man City at home was an amazing game. We literally destroyed them. But apart from that, what matches have I seen this season to make us think that we'll go the distance, that we can beat Liverpool? Look at Liverpool. How they actually didn't even get our second gear. And they absolutely dismantled us. With ease, people, with ease. Barcelona, they're probably the next runners to the Champions League trophy. With ease. With ease. They destroyed us with ease. And Real Madrid fans can't see that. Oh, support your club. Support your club. Well, how am I going to support the club if they're getting absolutely battered by the best in Europe and the worst in Europe as well? AC Milan. 3-1. What is that, man? Like, it was at the time when we weren't that good. But look, we're not good now. So if we play against a team of the same caliber as AC Milan, we'll probably get beaten. Look at Villarreal. We come in to play them away, man. We can't go to their ground, face the yellow submarine, quite literally, and literally go head on against the submarine and then crash out completely. That's what's happening. That's what's happening. We cannot do this to ourselves this season. It's not good enough. Ancelotti's tactics are archaic, they're old, they're absolutely horrid. To stink out victories when we're not playing well and trying to hope for the best in the match, when you don't have tactical game plans, when you go a goal down against one of the best in Spain, like we saw against Betis, like we saw against Atletico Bilbao. This is what's happening. And I'm really frustrated to see it. So, guys, hope we win. I hope, I pray we win. And we'll see what happens tomorrow in the Champions League, because, boy, my mind is gone at the moment, guys. I'm not officially Ancelotti out yet. I was at the beginning. My mind got swayed a little bit, but I will be if we lose tomorrow. That's all I need to say. A la Madrid y nada más, people. I'm sad, people. Let's just call it there. Guys, adios.